let's get to the stocks on our radar, and our man behind the glass, Steve Broden, is going to hit you with a question. Ron Gross, you're up first. What are you looking at this week?
I got a radar stock, not a recommendation yet. Boston Omaha, BOMN. It's a small cap stock, only about $600 million market cap, under the radar, early stage conglomerate, which is funny, early stage conglomerate. But they invest in businesses with attractive economics, mostly right now in outdoor advertising, a la billboards, and surety bonds, insurance. They also hold some home building, real estate services, and some other things too. Really strong leadership, 2 investment guys. Right now, they're only taking minimum wage as a salary until they can grow this thing. So I really like kind of how they're aligning themselves with shareholders.
Steve, question about Boston Omaha?
What's the most memorable billboard you can remember, Ron?
Well, I think on the way to Vegas, there are some very interesting billboards that you see as you get closer to the Strip.
Jason Moser, what are you looking at this week?
Taking a look at a new IPO, a recent IPO here called EventBrite. Ticker is EB. As I said, they just went public, so there isn't a whole heck of a lot of information out there beyond the S1. But this is a tech platform in the form of an app and also desktop. But ultimately, they have the components for individuals and groups to plan, promote, produce live events, and this helps them do that without having to go to a number of different providers. It helps drive ticket sales, and that's ultimately how they make their money, is by getting the fees from these ticket sales. The interesting thing about this company, management, it's led by a husband and wife team of Kevin and Julia Hartz. And if Kevin Hartz sounds familiar, Chris, well, Kevin Hartz was also behind the founding of Zoom, which is a company that was recently acquired by PayPal, and I liked it a lot.
You were very bitter about that acquisition.
I was a little bitter.
You wanted Zoom to be a standalone public company.
Still harboring a little bit of it, too.
Steve, question about EventBrite?
Sure. With all the video streaming that's going on in this world today, do you worry about that kind of taking a hit at EventBrite?
Well, I think that's an opportunity potentially to leverage what they're doing with partners, whether it's Live Nation, or we've seen Live Nation with Twitter, for example, start offering some video streaming there. So I think there are a lot of different ways they can leverage that content with social partners to be able to get that out to bigger audiences.
David, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at Vail Resorts, ticker MTN. I believe this was Maddie's radar stock last week, so I'm double dipping here, but this is a company behind ski resorts, and they're increasingly diversified across different seasons, so summer and winter, and geographies around the world. Dividend yield at an all-time high, 24 times free cash flow. Taking a look.
Steve?
How do I know when I'm ready for the Black Diamond?
Oh, gosh. Don't ask me, Steve. That's the answer.
What do you want to add to your watch list, Steve?
EventBrite sounds pretty cool.
Yeah.